So I have the DJI Neo and the HoverAir X1 Pro Max here. In case you don't know, these are both self-flying drones where you don't need a controller or anything to fly them. Of course you can connect them to a controller and fly them like regular drones, but these were made mainly to be selfie or tracking drones. They both came out at around the same time and I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I just got both of them. Now both of them have things that the other one can't do. For example, the Neo over here can be flown like an FPV with the right accessories, and the X1 Pro Max can fold up for easier storage. All of that will be for a different video. This one is just to compare the video quality that you get out of both of them. Now real quick, the X1 Pro Max can record in 8K, but to keep it fair, I'll be recording in 4K. And everything you see will be straight out of camera with no post-processing. Alright, let me stop talking and let's get these drones up in the air. My quick thoughts? I'm loving the X1 Pro Max. The Neo held up pretty well though. It's a terrible idea trying to fly them at the same time, by the way. Now the Neo has a 1/2 inch sensor at a fixed f2.8 aperture, while the X1 Pro Max has a 1/3 inch CMOS sensor at a fixed f2.4. I know sensor size isn't everything, as you have to take into account things like bitrate and compression, and YouTube compression, where you're probably watching this right now, doesn't help with the quality of videos. But hopefully these comparisons at least somewhat help you towards making a decision if you were between these two drones. In case you were wondering how the 8K looked out of the X1 Pro Max, I made a video showing that you can check out over here somewhere. By the way, I know I said this video was only an image comparison, but if you're getting one of these drones to use mostly the follow mode, the Neo isn't it. I kept losing it when I was skating, so I had to go slow for it to keep up. I was losing it when I started hitting around 15 miles per hour. I never got fast enough to lose the X1 Pro Max, but the stated top follow speed on that is 42 kilometers per hour, or about 26 miles per hour. I guess the Neo is fine if you're using it for hikes and things like that, but it's something to keep in mind if you're trying to decide between these drones. Alright, I'm gonna go see what else I can crash. See ya.